Let me briefly share the scripture. Philip sought out Nathanael and told him, "We have found the one Moses spoke of in the law, and the prophets too, Jesus, son of Joseph, from Nazareth." Nathanael's response to that was, "Can anything good come from Nazareth?" And Philip replied, "Come see for yourself. Can anything good come from Madera? Can anything good come from Kern County? Can anything good come from Fresno?" You know where I'm going with this. Yes, immense good can come from our whole San Joaquin Valley, and immense good can come to the San Joaquin Valley. We do need to be counted. In fact, it is, I think, very nearly a moral obligation to be counted. It would provide so many benefits to so many people who are at risk within our own communities. It's a matter of faith. It's a matter of responsibility. We believe in that. We believe in a future full of hope. The greater things are in store for us as a nation, as a country. So it's not just important to be counted, it's important to vote when that day and time comes too. And it's coming very soon. But brothers and sisters, time is of the essence. So do stand up and be counted. Do stand up and make your own vote count when that time comes. God bless you always.